We're actually on the other side of what we call the sorting station, okay? So on the first step, we were in what we call the into the rack, and now we're in what we call the pull of the sorting rack, where I'm taking out the items that are ready to assemble onto my assembly line. So what you're seeing right here is green lights that allow me to see what product or what bin is ready to get assembled, okay? So easy, the operator sees the green light, goes in, takes all the parts that he needs to assemble it. And what's interesting is once he gets all the parts out, he just needs to scan the barcode that's right there. So you should see on the screen what they have to do with that product as they're going to work there. Interesting thing, even if I have a lot of products that are ready to get assembled, well, we can control the numbers of lights or bins to be able to assemble. So we can control with the system the sequence and what the assembly will work with their product. The key with that is to say to make sure that they always work with the most priority job than the other one as they go through. Also, you can give priority like saying, hey, I want you to start always to assemble by the base cabinet, then the upper cabinet, then the tall cabinet. You can select the sequence of what you want them to work on, and automatically once a product's going to be ready or start to be assembled, another bin's going to turn green to let you know which one is the next one to work on that item that goes there.